Farmers are having a challenging growing season, from too much rain to not enough. Mark Butcher, co-owner of Butcher's Farm Market, says it was rough trying to get everything planted on time in May due to frequent rain. Vine crops like cucumbers, watermelons, and cantaloupes were difficult because they rely on heat. So which crop is thriving?
Right now, the peppers are the most abundant. The peppers are really doing really well because, one, we have the heat, they like it. We had the moisture for the growing. They're doing really well. And the sweet corn. The sweet corn did really well this year and is continuing to do well.
Sweet corn. While rain at the beginning of the season affected some crops, it may also affect our fall colors. Leaves may not be as bright this year.
Lots of butter and salt on that sweet corn.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.